Man, what's going on, folks? Man, it's your boy Money Mac coming back to you again from the set. Bruh. Alright, we're gonna have a little conversation, right? Where we need to tackle this age-old question when we talk about sneakers, right? And with that question comes, what comes first? The sneaker or the outfit? But before we get into that, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, bro, so we can get to the bottom of this so-called sneaker question or sneaker crisis that we have early in the morning or just whenever we go about our days, because we know some of us don't wake up till, yeah. Some people ain't morning people, so they don't wake up in the morning, if you feel what I'm saying. But let's get at it, man. Alright, man, so let's kick things off first with this sneaker first philosophy, right? So you know the drill. You cop a pair of dope ass sneakers, and now you digging in your closet to find something that goes with the sneaker or doesn't clash with the sneaker. So my question to you guys is, do you pick up your kicks and then you plan your outfit around the kicks? Drop your strategy below, because I'm curious which came first or comes first. It's like that old adage is saying, don't put the cart before the horse, or don't put your cart before the horse, right? Because one of these really don't make sense. But I'm trying to figure out which one really doesn't make sense. I just need to know. Like, is it you have an outfit in mind? When you see these sneakers dropped online and they have pictures of early releases and you're like, all right, I'm already putting a fit together for that. Or do you cop off of impulse, or you just buy the sneakers straight up just because somebody online said, oh, they're available, and you cop them. And then when you get them in, you hit them with that old saying that we have, oh, these look different in hand. Bruh, if I had $5 for every time I said that on a pair of sneakers, or the amount of times that I've actually heard that rendered by somebody else, bruh, I'd be having Mr. Beast money right now. You know what I mean? But y'all know what I'm saying. I just need to know, am I wrong by copping the sneaker first and then going out and copping a fit that goes with it? Or do I cop the fit first and then I get the sneakers after the fact? Some of us got cheese like that, where you just buy outfits and then they have a sneaker drop and you like, oh shit, I got something I can put with that. I don't know. I just want to know which one is first. Now, for all these people who are what we call layouts, right? And by that I mean they lay their entire outfit out on the bed and they take pictures of it to get approval from other people. That's the craziest shit I ever seen in my life. But to their credit, everybody could use a little assistance sometimes, because sometimes them colors just don't match. Now, I'll say that I may be in the crew of 40 plus where everything had to match. The ball cap, the shirt, the shorts, the socks, the shoes. Everything had to match. Now, these newer sneakerhead cats and cadettes, that ain't even a damn word. Whatever. These dudes and chicks these days, they don't care about matching, so to speak. So I think that this question may be a moot point at this juncture of our lives here in 2024. I know, I'm off the rails, right? No, because you've seen these younger cats running around here with all kinds of colors on just to say spit on a pair of black or white. They don't even wear those colors. They wear the. I'm not ragging on the newer generation because when I was their age, the older people were ragging on what we were doing. The only difference between them and us is the things that we were doing are the same things that people find unique and fired now because of the whole retro age. So, but I just had that question, man. Like, is that really what we do? Do we find the outfit first and then compliment them with the sneaker? Or is it vice versa? We cop the sneakers and then we head out to the mall, or we hop online, Kith, Supreme, whatever else. Hell, clothes so damn expensive these days. People like me, I ain't got no shame. I'm 40 some years old. I don't give a damn what you think. I go to Primark and get a fit. Not all the time, only for certain things. Okay? But it ain't nothing wrong with buying budget clothes because these goddamn sneakers cost so much these days. So with that being said, what do you think? How do you maneuver these obstacles that we have in the so-called sneaker culture these days? Is it outfit first or is it sneakers first? I just need to know because maybe I'm disconnected. Maybe I'm lost in the field. Maybe I'm lost in the weeds. Who knows? I just need to know which is it these days, because we all know that the typical OG outfit these days is a pair of Team Jordans, a Jordan jersey with the basketball shorts on with some ankle socks. If that's you, sorry, I ain't here to rag on your outfit, but I'm saying that's what we used to do. But that's the typical OG outfit these days. Now maybe I'm wrong, but y'all seen them. That's all I have for us today, man. I just needed to get that question out here and see what the formula is for these dope ass kicks that we love so much. Sometimes our outfits be lacking. So I just want to know, is it the outfit first, then the sneakers? Let me know down in the comment section, bruh. And if you rode with me this long, bruh, hit that like and subscribe button. I need you. Yeah. I need you to hit that like button. Won't say I need you, per se. You get what I'm saying, man. If you rolling with your boy, man, hit the comment section. Let me know your thoughts on this topic. I just had to ask the question. It popped in my brain, and I've been pondering it for quite some time. Hell, I'm both. So if you're one who does both, it depends on the sneaker. It depends on the outfit. Let me know down in the comment section, bro. I'm your boy Money Matt, man. I'm gonna get on out of here and go do something important with my life. Peace. Got the scoop on the latest tricks. So hit that subscribe button. Join the fam. We up back in heat. Ain't no scam.